guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, welcome to being here before. Today's video is actually a first start of a new series that I want to do on my channel and everything, and that inspired me to do more looks and see if I can do the looks or not do the looks. And hopefully I can replicate it some way, shape, or form, be inspired or recreate it. Of course, I will be crediting the artist, of course. So if you follow me on Twitter, I have 6 people already did the looks, already posted, and I'm planning to do them as soon as possible. So I don't know when I'm going to do it for like I'm not going to plan to do it every day, of course, but I'm going to do it once a week. So I'm thinking Tuesday or Friday will be the best. But yes, so I already want to do this for fun and everything else, and also support other people and just give them a little shout outs. This is my way of shouting them out and everything at my best ability, and hopefully it works. You know, I like to shout out people, and I do my best to do whatever I need to do. Sorry for if you hear background noise. Kids are, of course, quarantined and everything else. Still doing that, yay. But of course I have cats, and my cat likes to be in the videos, of course. So without further ado, let's get started. So I want to show you the picture right here. Of course, I know the bunnies will go crazy. Okay. I'm going to do an Italia skirt. Italia Garcia. Her look is this. As you can see, it's orange and purple with falsies and everything else. This one, like I said, but we'll be continue showing it up here. She does have pearls like in the corner of her eyes, which I don't have anything like that. But I want to do something like a lot similar to that, but try to create it, but have my own little twist. But it will definitely be like that because I do have a couple of products, but I just don't have the pearls. So what I'm going to do is just use white liner on my crease and do it that way, or little dots. I think I'm going to do dots since this is that. So I already did my base, and all the products will of course be listed below. So, and since that will be easier to work, I am going to use my Profusion, Mirage Profusion palette on this, and I am going to use 2 colors out of this, since there's like 2 colors. I'm going to use 3 colors because I do want that purple color, so that will be the purple color base, and then do it that way. But I'm going to use OMG and Farrago, and I'm thinking I'm going to use another purple. It's that darker purple, as you see. That purple right here. So hopefully I can do this. So we're gonna put my eyeshadow primer. If you're wondering what happened to the other one, I actually accidentally did that. So for I go to look at the new. So it's Farrago. If you want to use this as my crease, as she has it on. I really don't and I'm going to see if I can bring this out a little bit. I don't have a purple glitter, but you know, it has to do. But hopefully I do have, I'm glad I can really, and I definitely want to pack this in, and I am going to use this purple shade right here. This shade right here that I am working with, and it is Runty. Okay, I'm gonna use. I do not have white eyeliner, but this will look like we will see. I'm just using this as a base right here, just for the glitter. Hopefully it shows more purple, not this really crazy color. Okay, we're gonna turn this up some. Right in that crease. But it's been a long time I kind of did this kind of this way. May have a little bit of fallout, but it's okay. I'll do the same thing with the other eye. Got my glitter glue. I'm going to use my NYX glitter. I love this on OMG. It's this glitter right here. Looks so purple. But it's not like, it definitely has purple flexes, but I don't. Now I need to know. Now I know I need to buy some glitter. Like on camera, it looks good, but maybe something similar. Okay. Well, actually, I like that. Now, I do. Okay, maybe this will work. I don't know. Okay. She has it right on the crease. And since this is like a pop color, we're gonna doing something. You gotta improvise, man. You gotta improvise. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do just a little bit. What I'm going to try to do is to
you cut it, right? That's right.
then we're gonna okay, we'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished look. I like this, especially the glitter and everything else. Like I said, I really don't know how completely face was or anything like that, so I just did my best what she would use. So Italia, thank you for showing your picture. Even though I couldn't do the fully recreated look, but at least I tried. That's all it is. It's all trying different makeup looks and trying different techniques and different colors, and that's I love doing, is mixing with different colors and being inspired by other people. And this what I want to do is with these recreated or inspired looks is to inspire people. And I really don't care what the look looks or anything. I just want to do it and see if I can actually recreate it or try to recreate it. And like with this, even if I didn't have the pearls or anything like that, I love it. Even though I love this glow from Ofra. It's the Star Island one, one of my favorites. The only product I have from Ofra, except no, I have two products from Ofra. The only product I like, and I do like them. For the price, a little bit pricey for me, but you know what, one day. But other than that, I love this glow. I really do like the glitter. Even I even tried to find a matching color, but I didn't realize it had like a orange and gold thing. But it's fine. You know, it matches the eye. Actually, I really like. And that white, like look, as you see, and you know, I have the picture right here. It is so beautiful, and I love it. And it's gorgeous and really pretty. And I want to say thank you to Italia for showing this picture and having me to shout out you and everything else. I will put her Twitter information down below and everything else. And I love you guys, and I hope I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like the video if you want to be part of the series. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and just post your videos or your pictures, DM me or anything else to make it easier. And of course I credit for you and so on and so forth. And also don't forget the subscribe button, because I'm trying to upload every single day, and it's been hard since I didn't do it last week because my brain was just like, don't know what to do. But yes, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, when the video is uploaded, and for you guys to watch. So I hope you have a wonderful day, a beautiful night, wherever you live at. I hope you are having a Maleficent and sorry, not Maleficent. I don't know why I said that. Sorry. Hope you have a beautiful time, and don't forget there's only one you, and you're perfect just the way you are. I love you guys, and bye.